Many people are asking the question, how do I get started with buying physical precious metals? Buying physical precious metals can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and protect against inflation, market volatility, and economic uncertainty. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started.
Before you buy precious metals, here is the first thing you should do. Educate yourself about the various precious metals, such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Understand their properties, uses, and market trends. Here are some details it would be good to know. Gold is a highly malleable and ductile metal, meaning it can be easily manipulated into different shapes without breaking. Gold is highly resistant to tarnishing and corrosion, making it a popular choice for jewelry and other ornamental purposes. It is also an excellent conductor of electricity and is used in the electronics industry in the production of connectors and circuit boards. Silver is another widely used precious metal that is known for its shiny white luster. Like gold, silver is malleable and ductile, making it ideal for jewelry making and other decorative applications. Silver is also a good conductor of electricity and is commonly used in the manufacturing of solar panels, batteries, and electronics. In addition, silver has antimicrobial properties and is used in medical devices, as well as in water purification systems. Platinum is a rare and valuable metal that is known for its white silvery appearance and resistance to corrosion. Platinum is extremely dense and durable, making it suitable for use in industrial applications such as catalytic converters in vehicles, dental implants, and laboratory equipment. Platinum is also commonly used in jewelry making and is considered a symbol of luxury and prestige. Palladium is a silvery white metal that is part of the platinum group of metals. Palladium is prized for its high melting point and resistance to corrosion, making it useful in various industrial applications. Palladium is commonly used in catalytic converters, electronics, and jewelry making. Palladium is also used in the production of fuel cells and in the automotive industry for the production of exhaust systems.
Second, set your goals. Investing is an essential part of building wealth and securing your financial future. When it comes to investing, it's important to have clear goals in mind so that you can make informed decisions about where to put your money. Some common goals include the following. Saving for retirement. Whether you plan to retire in 10 years or 30 years, it's important to start saving early and regularly to ensure that you have enough money to live comfortably in your golden years. Second, building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a separate savings account that is set aside for unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Third, saving for a major purchase. Many people invest in the stock market or other assets in order to save for a major purchase, such as a new car, a down payment on a house, or a vacation. Fourth, funding a child's education. Whether you're saving for college or a private school education, starting early in investing consistently can help you reach your savings goals. Finally, building wealth. Building wealth can provide financial security, help you achieve your financial goals, and give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. No matter what your investment goals are, it's important to have a clear plan in place and to regularly review and make adjustments to your investments as needed. Remember, investing is a long-term endeavor, so be patient and stay focused on your goals to see your investments grow over time.
Third, choose a reputable dealer. Research and select a reputable dealer who is licensed, insured, and has a good reputation. Look for dealers who offer competitive prices, transparent pricing, and excellent customer service. We have a link to the dealer we use in the description. We recommend them and have found them to be honest and reliable. It would be wise to avoid precious metal sellers that promote their offers in popular online stores. Practically anyone can use these online stores to sell products. There is practically no vetting of vendors who use these online stores, so beware of gold and silver offers on these sites. Also, avoid late-night TV offers that have celebrities promoting gold and silver. These offers are often overpriced and do not give you good value for your money. Instead, use well-established dealers that specialize in precious metals that have a good track record. It is better to be safe than sorry.
Fourth, select the right product. Decide on the type of precious metal product you want to buy, such as coins, bars, or rounds. Consider factors like purity, weight, cost, and size. Coins, such as gold or silver, American eagles or Canadian maple leafs, are typically minted by government organizations and have a face value that is normally lower than their intrinsic metal value. Coins are often seen as a more liquid form of precious metal investment, as they are easily recognizable and easily tradable. Some coins may also have numismatic value, meaning they are sought after by collectors for their rarity or historical significance. Bars, on the other hand, are usually produced by private mints and come in a variety of sizes, ranging from small 1-gram bars to larger 1-kilogram bars. Bars are often the most cost-effective way to purchase physical precious metals, as they typically have lower premiums over spot price than coins. However, bars are not as easily recognizable as coins and may be more difficult to sell quickly in a pinch. Rounds, also known as bullion rounds, are similar to coins in that they are minted by private organizations and are typically made of either gold or silver. Rounds do not have a face value like coins. Rounds are often less expensive than coins and bars, making them a popular choice for investors looking to maximize their purchasing power. Ultimately, the choice between coins, bars, and rounds comes down to personal preference, as well as individual investment goals and strategies.
Fifth, understand storage options. Think about how you will store your physical precious metals. You can store them at home, in a safety deposit box in a bank, or with a reputable dealer who offers storage services. Perhaps, most popular is home storage. Many people choose to store their precious metals at home, either in a safe or other secure location. This option provides easy access to your assets, but it also comes with the risk of theft or damage. It is essential to invest in a high-quality safe or storage solution to ensure that your precious metals are protected. Then, there is bank safety deposit boxes. These boxes are typically located in the vault of a bank and provide a secure location to store your assets. However, this option may come with fees, limited access, and the risk of the bank going bankrupt. Yet another choice is private vault storage. These facilities are another popular option for storing precious metals. These facilities offer high levels of security, including round-the-clock surveillance, fingerprint access, and insurance options. While private vault storage can be more expensive than other options, it provides peace of mind knowing that your assets are safe and secure. Another choice some investors make is to use a precious metals IRA. Some investors choose to store their precious metals in a self-directed precious metals IRA. This option allows you to invest in precious metals through a retirement account and store them with a qualified custodian. While this option provides tax advantages and diversification, it may also come with restrictions and fees. And, finally, some people use offshore storage. For those looking to diversify their storage options, offshore storage facilities are another option. These facilities are located outside of the United States and offer privacy, security, and protection from political and economic instability. However, offshore storage can be expensive and may come with logistical challenges. In conclusion, there are many storage options available for you to store precious metals. Each option comes with its own advantages and disadvantages, so it is essential to carefully consider your needs and preferences before choosing a storage solution.
Sixth, start small. Begin with a small investment to get familiar with the process and to test the waters. One of the main reasons why it is advisable to begin with a small investment in precious metals is to minimize risk. Precious metal prices can fluctuate significantly, and investing a large sum of money right off the bat can expose you to greater potential losses. By starting small, you can test the waters and gain a better understanding of how the market works without risking a substantial amount of capital. Additionally, starting small allows you to diversify your investment portfolio. Precious metals, such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, can help protect your assets against inflation and economic uncertainty. By investing a small amount in various precious metals, you can spread your risk and potentially increase your overall returns. Moreover, starting small gives you the opportunity to learn more about the precious metals market and develop a solid investment strategy. You can track the performance of your investments, observe market trends, and make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Over time, as you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment in precious metals. Lastly, starting small can help you build a solid foundation for your investment portfolio. By investing a modest amount in precious metals, you can establish a base upon which to grow your wealth over time. As you continue to monitor and manage your investments, you can gradually increase your exposure to precious metals and potentially achieve greater financial success. In conclusion, starting small when investing in precious metals is a prudent approach that can help minimize risk, diversify your portfolio, and lay the groundwork for long-term financial growth. By taking a gradual and careful approach to investing in precious metals, you can increase your chances of success and protect your assets for the future.
Finally, seventh, monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. Like any investment, it is important to monitor and adjust your precious metals investments to ensure they are performing as expected. Here are a few tips how to monitor and rebalance your investments in precious metals. First, keep track of market trends. Stay informed about the latest news and developments in the precious metals market. Monitor the prices of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium regularly to see how they are performing. Pay attention to factors like supply and demand, geopolitical events, and economic indicators that could affect the prices of precious metals. Second, set investment goals. Determine your investment goals and time horizon for your precious metals investments. Are you looking to hedge against inflation, diversify your portfolio, or achieve long-term capital appreciation? Knowing your investment goals will help you make more informed decisions about when to buy or sell precious metals. Third, keep track of the performance of your precious metals investments over time. Review your investment portfolio regularly to see how your assets are performing compared to your investment goals. Consider using investment tracking tools or working with a financial advisor to help you monitor your investments effectively. Fourth, after tracking your investments, you may want to rebalance your portfolio. Periodically review your portfolio and rebalance your precious metals investments to ensure they are in line with your investment goals. If the prices of gold, silver, platinum, or palladium have significantly increased or decreased, consider adjusting your investment allocations accordingly. Rebalancing your portfolio can help you manage risk and optimize your returns. And fifth, stay disciplined. Avoid making emotional investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, stick to your investment plan and remain disciplined in your approach to monitoring and adjusting your precious metals investments. Remember that investing in precious metals is a long-term strategy, so it is important to stay focused on your investment goals and not get swayed by market volatility. In conclusion, monitoring and adjusting your investments in precious metals is an important part of managing your investment portfolio effectively. By staying informed about market trends, setting investment goals, monitoring your investments, rebalancing your portfolio, and staying disciplined in your approach, you can optimize your returns and achieve your investment objectives in precious metals. Buying physical precious metals can be a rewarding investment that can help protect your wealth and provide financial security for the future. By doing your research, setting clear investment goals, working with a reputable dealer, and staying informed about market trends, you can get started with buying physical precious metals with confidence. If you are unsure about investing in physical precious metals, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or investment professional. They can help you assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment options to make the best choice for your long-term investment strategy.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and interest in our content. We hope you learned something valuable from this video. If so, please click the thumbs up, like button to let us know. Now, we recommend you watch this video next. It will further boost your knowledge and skills in this important area.